How to sell candles on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your store to sell candles. The process is going to be very simple and very easy. So it is going to be the same process that you are going to do to sell something on your Shopify store. But in this case, I'm going to let you see here different methods and also some addition to the store, so it is going to be more let's say attractive. So we are going to head over our Shopify store. As you can see here, we have the Shopify admin dashboard of the store. Now what are we going to do is here I'm going to show you the some of the methods that I have for you today. Either it is going to add the product manually by clicking on add product. Then you are going to search for the product. If you are going to make it yourself, you are going to capture the product media, put them in here, set up a description, a title, and a categories. From here, also the pricing and etc. This is the first method, or the manual method, or the owned method. Or you can go ahead and get the help, for example, from AliExpress and type in, for example, candles, and you're going to see different type of candles. Here we have some perfumed or romantic scented candles. You can go ahead and have those imported manually or automatically using some of the plugins or also extensions. Or you can go ahead and have, for example, this specific image. You can go ahead and download it, and then you are going to add it to the store. Then you are going to set up a price. This is nearly a drop shipping. So you are going to increase the price for a certain amount, and then you are going to have it in here. That was for AliExpress. And we can go ahead and go further for a more automated way, which is going to be integrating a platform like a Auto DS or D-Series. These are going to be having the best drop shipping platform assistance, or let's say automations. So you're going to have, for example, Auto DS. You can go ahead and have Auto DS. You're going to type in on Shopify Auto DS just like that. And then you're going to find the app. And from here, you're going to have this app, install it into your store, and you're going to integrate your Shopify store in here. And then this app or this platform will help you set up the candles or any type of product for drop shipping with a very good resource, or let's say supplier. Also, the price is going to be very interesting for you, and also you're going to get a lot of benefits. So basically, you are going to have here this. So I'm going to let you see how we can get that. So the shipping is going to be for all the regions. We are going to put that. We're on the marketplace. Of course, we need to have or make sure that it is going to have our Shopify store. This is our Shopify store. I think this is it. So we have this tag. Yes, it is. Then we are going to head over here and type in candles, for example, and we are going to see if we can find some candles. And of course, we are going to find. If you cannot find the typical model that you are or you can search for, you can have the model from AliExpress. We can do that, and we can click on add product, single product, and then we are going to add the link of the candle. For example, candles. We are going to see a model that we do not have currently in here. For example, like this. And then what are we going to do is to have the URL. We're going to place it in here, click on edit now, and it is going to be added to the drafts. So with that simplicity, we have added the product. So we have this one, and it is going to have in here. So you can modify the product title, for example, premium. We're going to type in here premium, for example, candles. Premium candles. And then we are going to set up, for example, the brand. You can select the collection page that you have for your store. select the product page or modify the product page, like the description that you're going to add. You are going to see and modify the variants that you have, the images, and the item specifications. So you're going to see all of these. You can add or edit, delete, whatever. And then you're going simply to save and import them. So we are going to wait for some few seconds until the import is going to be in here, set up, I mean, and then you're going to see it right there in this specific area. So here we have the product, as you can see. Now, what are we going to do is to push it to our store. We're going to click on import, and then we're going to see it is starting to import. So we are going to visit the products from here, and normally it is going to have a label in here, so it has been imported. Now we are going to verify that onto our Shopify store. We're going to head over, not the orders but the products, and here we have it. This is the aromatic, as you can see, um, candle. So we have it just right there. So we can go ahead and see that we have everything set up. All the images are set and everything is going to be in here. So we have the variants, the colors, or the not the colors, but they are going to be the sets. So with that, we have created our specific one. So that was another method that we can introduce the AutoDS to Shopify store to set up the candles. And here I have another suggestion for you by selling candles into your Shopify store. And we can do some, let's say, personalized candles. And when we say personalized, we are going to talk about the print on demand. So let's see here if we have some print on demand, but I think that it is going to be specific for clothings on AutoDS. Is not going to be that, let's say, important. So we are going to head over Printify. So for those who doesn't know what is Printify, it is going to be a platform or a large platform that will allow you to sell the POD products into your favorite sales channels. Like, as you can see here, we have Wix, we have Shopify store, we have everything. How we can set up this platform? Easy. So you're going basically head to your Shopify store and type in Printify, just like that. Print, not Printify, but Printify. So we are going to have it just like that. You're going to open it into the Shopify App Store, install the app. This is the app, and when you are going to open it, it will take you to the dashboard of your here store. So you're going to see it in here. This is the official app. I have installed it. Also, the AutoDS is going to be on the app section. So it doesn't matter a lot here. We are not going to control it from the Shopify dashboard, but from the dashboard of that specific case in here. Now, what are we going to do is to head over the catalog after we have connected successfully our Printify to our Shopify store. Click on catalog, and from here we have some categories. And from these categories, we're going to choose the candles. Where could we find these candles? Basically, you're going to head over the home and livings here, and you're going to see seasonal decorations and candles, mugs, ornaments, glasswares, and etc. So we are going to click on canvas, not canvas, I mean candles, and you're going to see that you can create some print on demand or personalized candles. So all the candles are going to have here a specific area for printing. So you are going to make them yours. So as you can see, this is going to be a full glass, and also a glass printed candle. So we are going to have here very cool designs put in here, also very premium. These also too. So we have this, that, and etc. So for example, I like this transparent candle. I'm going to have in here. So we are going to have it just right there. We are going to see the photos of that candle and see if we are going to like it or not. So I already like that. So we are going to have our pre-made design in here. So we are going to click on start designing. So click on here. Boom. We are going to see the editor. We're going to see the spaces that we can add the our design to. So we have this, not this, but it is going to be making the spaces that you're going to make the customer see. So either we are going to upload an design or a design. So here, as you can see, each one of the spaces are going to be with a specific interline or alignment from here. I don't know if you're going to see it, but we have some thin lines separating here the spaces. So each one of the line is going to be representing the limit of the cup. This is going to be represent this limit, this limit, and this is going to be this one. So basically, this is the whole, as you can see, cover, and it is going to be rounded on the specific area. You can create images, add texts, for example, libraries, graphics, and etc. So I'm going to head over the library because I have set up some of the designs already. So I can have here this design put in one of the cases. Like this is the middle, I think. Going, I think I can make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make it here so it is going to be appearing on the middle. You can add some more, let's say, customization to this specific area, but I'm going to have it just like that. I'm going to show you something, so I'm not going to practically do that, but I'm going to have here more, let's say, designs put in here like that. This is better. I have two designs. I'm going to make this smaller so the sun will not disappear. Click on save product. You can preview it if you want. I'm going to see the mockups in here, so we are going to see the preview. So these are going to be the previews and the mockups. Boom. And if we want or we are interested in start publishing it, we are going to click on start publish, and you are going to set up the parameters as titles, description, and also the size table for that description. So we need to set up the size table so the customers will get an idea on how it is going to be. So you can add the tags, as you can see, add the personalization if you're going to be interested in that for the customers. Add the shipping methods. We have the center and the economy, and then you can set up the price. It will give it a SKU code and in here. So I'm going to edit the price. Let's see here, the retail price 36. So I'm going to put it as 42.99, just like that. So we are going to get a little bit of margin in here. And when you finish everything, you can set up, so for example, for something like the publishing settings, product visibility, the variant visibility, and etc. And you can here check or choose the Shopify collection that you're going to publish it to. Unfortunately, here we have no Shopify collection. We are going to only have the homepage. We're going to click on publish, and we are going to wait for it to be published. Basically, this is how we can make the drop shipping or the personalized candles available and ready to be sold on our store. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.